Hello and welcome to the most accurate educational fun forecast for the Mohawk Valley you can possibly find. I'm Jeff Matthews. Weathertainment fan page will be populated with updates on things from the greenhouse at the charter school to the weather forecast to also celestial happenings in the sky next week. But for now, here's a trivia teaser. What's the lowest pressure ever recorded not in a tornado? Is it 2910, 28 inches, 25.69 inches, or 24.5 inches? Think about it. Meanwhile, this is not a promotion for the restaurant Red Robin. Woo! Diana Deerfield sent this picture. There's a robin on her windowsill. It keeps running into the window because it sees its reflection, thinking it's another robin that it might want to be friends with. So it keeps hitting her window, so she wound up putting a laundry basket in one window with a little stuffed character there to scare it off, and you can see it staring right at it. So it knows that a face generally means trouble. Trying to keep that robin at bay and stopping it from running into the window all the time. She tells me it does it every morning for the last 2 mornings for hours at a time. Interesting the way we got to deal with it, huh? Put the little character in the window. Saturday is your transition day. Sunday will be the first time it really feels like spring since spring began. And Monday and Tuesday, we're talking 72 and 70 for forecast highs. Wow! Yeah, baby! And even when it cools off, it won't cool off that much until next Friday. So for Saturday, transition. Sunday, bright and mild. Sunday and Monday, bright and warm. A little rain possible Monday night and Tuesday night. Hunkin' huge storm brought the low pressure in Utica Friday morning down to 29.12 inches. That is very low and close to one of the options in the quiz. So could that be right? 29.12 inches, that's one of the lowest I've ever seen. So this is a very intense, hunkin' huge storm. But look what happens once you get out of its influence. Totally clear. All the way through Minnesota, down to Texas, and the Gulf Coast as well. And that drier air is pushing in for Saturday afternoon, night, and especially for Sunday into Monday. So is the warmer temperatures. But let's review the wind field. That's where the storm was on Wednesday evening, right over St. Louis. And the heavy winds were on all sides of it, translated north and eastwards towards the Great Lakes and the southeast coast. And then by Friday, it was an East Coast phenomenon. But notice all the blue that grew out west. What's with that? Those are warmer winds. Here's the temperatures Thursday at 5 p.m. I want you to watch right in here where it's in the 50s and 60s. And even over the Rockies, you see the 40s are going away. Watch what happened by Friday. 70s to around 80 on the front range of the Rockies, while we're still locked in the 30s. But that is eroding for Saturday, and I think we're headed for real spring starting Sunday. For the storm that moved from St. Louis to Erie, Pennsylvania, now in eastern Canada, is taking the precipitation with it away from the area, and the next precip is all the way out in the western Rockies. So as that storm takes the moisture away Saturday morning, the clouds may take a few more hours to erode, but I think we'll see a decent amount of sunshine by afternoon, and especially late in the afternoon. It'll be a clear, cool night, and then Sunday, woo! Yeah, we're talking spring. 40 was the high for Friday. I said it would be 42, pretty close. Well below the average, nowhere near a record low. 1900s fell on Friday. Sun rises at 6:30 a.m. for you early risers. It sets at 7:36. That brings us to 13:06 total, which is another 3 minutes of daylight for Saturday. You can support Weathertainment by telling your friends, sharing it on Facebook, or purchasing through the website. Here's your trivia question. What's the lowest pressure on record in the world? 2912 was in Utica Friday morning. So we're going to eliminate that because it's too close to what we just had. And that was not a record. We're also going to eliminate the lowest. Wasn't that low? The pressure ranges from about 33 inches at the uppermost max down to about 2569. Now the 2810 actually happened in the United States. It was around the Great Lakes. And it's the lowest pressure ever recorded in the lower 48 states from anything beyond a tornado, so something other than a tornado. So that's the all-time record for the United States. That's the all-time record for the world. Saturday, gray start, like that, turns blue as the day wears along, 44, cool. Mainly clear and chilly Saturday night with a diminishing wind, but a low around 28. But Sunday, once the sun comes up, here we go. Mostly or partly sunny, 62. Monday, mostly sunny, 72. Maybe a little light rain Monday night, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, but it's going to be light and sporadic. And the temperatures stay mild. Even when it clears out on Wednesday, we only lose about 8 or 10 on the thermometer. That is your 5-day weekend weather forecast. Take it and make it a great weekend.